Workers can clock in and clock out within the Marketing 360 point of sale to track their hours. To clock in, click Time Clock from either the menu or the top right-hand corner. Type the worker's 4-digit PIN and click Enter. Click Clock In and then click Save. To clock out, type the worker's 4-digit PIN and click Enter. Click Clock Out and then click Save.
For more information or for any general questions you may have about the tool, feel free to check out our extensive online knowledge base at support.marketing360.com or send us an email at support@marketing360.com.